Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $250? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $250 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Trunksy X1 3D Printer. Trunksy X1 small 3D printer, in semi-assembled kit, both as an entry-level version and as a portable home office version. High adaptability, quick assembly, efficiency first, saving your installation time. Lightweight structure, build a reasonable force balance, with good load capacity, improve efficiency and maintain stability during printing. One-time molding, simplify tedious mini 3D printer installation steps. Small 3D printer X1 weighs less than 6 kilograms, equivalent to a small dumbbell weight. Small and lightweight, suitable for students and children. Big toys exposed to technology can also create their own toys. Y-axis OSG linear guide rail, high wear-resistant pulley runs smooth and speed, greatly improve the accuracy and stability. X-axis belt adjustment knob, easy to adjust the tightness of the belt, reduce the appearance of printing layers. Z-axis slimmed hand screw can easily adjust the height of Z-axis. Number 2. Uniformation LCD 3D Printer. Uniformation GTW Resin Printer 8K adopts matrix parallel light source with HD resolution 7680 x 4320 and XE resolution 29.6 microns. Meanwhile, it has a larger build volume 228 x 128 245 mm than most desktop resin printers. GTW Resin 3D Printer adopts PTC ceramic heating tech and heats up to 80 degrees Fahrenheit based on the ambient temperature. Meanwhile, overheating protection sensors and radiators ensure your safe use, working continuously for up to 20,000 hours. GTW will fulfill its mission all year round. Uniformation Resin Printer's unique screwless clamping system for both the vat and build plate makes printing and cleaning effortless. Also, the inbuilt wide vat tray means wastage is less, which makes for an overall more enjoyable experience when printing and cleaning up afterward. Compared to most printers, GTW has a vertical flip-up cover designed for a small or large home, office, or print farm space, which allows for neatly positioned side-by-side printing while not taking up much needed space in your printing area, providing efficient, simple yet high-quality printing. Uniformation provides a 1-year warranty for the GTW printer, excluding consumable parts LCD screen and FEP film. Also provides lifetime professional technical support. We will help to answer any and all questions online you may have. If you encounter any problems when using your GTW, please never hesitate to contact our team or consult our official website. Number 3. Soval SV06 3D Printer. Different from most 3D printers run by wheels in the market, SV06 has a classic i3 structure which avoids wear and tear of wheels and multiple replacements, and it is widely applied into industry. We did something new to make it more applicable for household use. Modular design allows you to assemble SV06 within 5 steps easily. Soval self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with planetary dual gear set, provide SV06 with higher drive ratio and a lighter motor. Helps to achieve more accurate extrusion. Add large external knob for easy feeding. All-metal hot end setup makes it possible to print up to 300C. No need to deal with PTFE replacement anymore, and even no need to flash the firmware. You can print with different materials better and more easily. Enclosure is still needed if you want to print over 260C, with inductive sensor, detect the metal print bed through 25 points automatically and compensate the unevenness of the heated bed. The fast, smart, precise detection and compensation help you to get the bed level perfectly and get an fantastic first layer. The flexible pay-coated build plate with mesh surface design makes the prints can be removed easily without any tools. 220 x 220 250 mm print size. enough for daily use and household use. With TMC 2209 drivers, makes the printer works stably and quietly. UART mode is available, so that more modifications can be done easily for advanced users. Soval 3D printers come with 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Any question on Soval SV06 3D printer, just click Ask a Question through our storefronts page. Report an issue through the Your Orders page. We will fast respond within 24 hours and try our best to resolve your every issue. Number 4. Creality 3D Ender 3v3 SAE printer. Leveling is the basis of print quality. Ender 3v3 SAE features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. Ender 3v3 SAE features a max printing speed of 250 mm per second and 2500 mm/s² acceleration, which can print faster while keeping the print quality. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender 3v3 SAE works well with PLA, PETC, and flexible TPU, unlocking your creative potential. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Rigid dual Z-axis reduces Z wobbling. The Y-axis used a pair of 8mm thick linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, able to carry the build platform steadily for a lasting time. Together, they will take good care of each print. Made of strong and wear-proof steel, the linear shafts ensure a lasting, steady motion of the Y-axis. Tap extrude, and the filament will flow out of the nozzle smoothly. Tap retract, and the filament will exit quickly. So, it is effortless to replace the filament. The UI adopts motion graphics to display the leveling progress and other parameters. You can get how the printers is doing at a single glance. Ender 3v3 SAE is compact, simple, and elegant. It combines neat X, Y, Z axis, smooth T-shaped profiles, and low-key tensioners for a sleek look. Number 5. Kingroon KP3S Pro V2 3D Printer. KP3S Pro V2 is a fast print speed 3D printer with Clipper firmware installed. It makes Clipper becomes reachable, affordable, and usable for everyone. With the Clipper features, it let people print at high speed and with great quality. KP3S Pro V2 has a powerful main board with Clipper firmware installed. No Raspberry Pi is required. High quality print with less waiting time. KP3S Pro V2 has 350 mm per second high speed printing and 10,000 mm/s² acceleration. The built-in Excel 345 module ensures you high quality print under fast print speed with active vibration compensation. KP3S Pro V2 has linear rail guides on X, Y, and Z axis, which makes your printer more stable and durable in fast movements. Equipped with ceramic heating tube and auto leveling, fast heating and high-speed extrusion, it offers superior temperature stability and improved filament compatibility. 9.5:1 gear ratio, all metal, 9000 rings, 5015 fan, smart microprocessors. The new extruder means powerful extrusion and better cooling system, providing you with convenient operation and free control, allowing you to remotely control your printer, and also have a higher power output, resulting in better signal strength and performance. With the internet connection, any screen can be your printer screen. You can control KP3S Pro V2 anyhow, anytime and anywhere. The auto bed leveling comes to KP3S Pro V2. With its new bed structure, it's fully ABL,